The Xiaomi 13 and the 13 Pro were both announced in China. There's no news yet on exactly when these phones will get a global release. But about the phones, the 13 Pro, which looks a little different. For one, it boasts a curved display and body, closer in style to previous Xiaomi flagships. It's also only launching in a more muted color range of white, black, green, and light blue. As with the regular model, this latter finish is in vegan leather, though the other models are made from ceramic rather than glass. Like the 13, it has an IP68 rating. The Pro is also significantly larger than the 13, with a 6.73 inches display that uses LTPO tech for a dynamic variable refresh rate, though still up to 120 Hz, and has a higher 1440 by 3200 resolution. Both the Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro use a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. This is the top Snapdragon chipset at the time of writing, and is likely to be the best option available to Android phones until late 2023, when we might see a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2. Other than the display, the camera is inevitably where the biggest upgrades from the 13 are to be found, although at a glance things seem similar. The main lens is still 50MP, but uses the much larger 1-inch Sony IMX989 sensor, the same one used to great effect in the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Here's it's at an f/1.9 aperture, and of course features OIS. The telephoto lens is also a 50MP sensor, with a 3x zoom level and aperture of f/2.0. Thanks to a new floating lens structure, it's also capable of focusing on objects just 10 centimeters away, in theory making it more versatile than most telephotos out there. Then there's the ultra-wide, which is the same as last year's. It's also a 50MP shooter, with an f/2.2 aperture and autofocus. Finally, the 32MP selfie camera is the same as on the 13. The Xiaomi 13 Pro has a 4820 mAh battery offering 120W wired charging, 50W wireless charging, and 10W reverse wireless charging. The Xiaomi 13 Pro meanwhile starts at 4,999 Chinese yuan, approximately $715, which gets you a version with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. This one tops out at 6,299 Chinese yuan, roughly $900, for a model with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage.